everyone, welcome to Sue's Quacks. This is a quick hack to remove sticky stuff off jars from labels that you've peeled off that won't dissolve under the tap. So I've got some lighter fluid and I'll just pour my lighter fluid over the surface of the sticky stuff and then just begin to rub. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but it dissolves the sticky stuff from the surface a little bit. And I start wiping it off with a paper towel. And a little bit more. I tend to wipe inwards so that I'm not spreading the sticky stuff over the bit of the jar that hasn't got any sticky stuff on it. It would be lovely, wouldn't it, if manufacturers made labels that had easy peel so that you could reuse the jars if you wanted to, but I suppose it's not in their interest for you to be making your own condiments at home. They want you to buy theirs. But I want to make mine. It's dissolving gradually. There must be other methods of doing this, but this is the one I found over the years that works for me. You can probably get some other solvents that are sticky stuff removers, but you know, if you haven't got anything like that in the house, then and you've got some lighter fluid, then just be careful you don't do it near a naked flame, and also do it in a well-ventilated area. And obviously if you're watching this and you're not an adult, then get an adult to help you. Right, that's got most of the sticky stuff off now. So what I do, I just give that a quick wash and I'll come back with my next step. My next step is to use some olive oil on a paper towel after washing that in some washing up liquid, and give that a good rub in, because there still will be a sticky residue left on there, and the oil helps to take it off pretty much completely after you've taken the worst of it off. And also I would recommend doing this with a pair of gloves on, because your fingers do actually get a bit sticky too. So once that's all rubbed in, give that another wash with some washing up liquid and dry it off with another paper towel, and then no sticky stuff. Do remember to wash your jar and sterilise it before you use it for any home jam or condiment making. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.